Hi, Grandpa Scy. Ready for another great recipe from America's Test Kitchen Kids? This one should be a piece of cake, and pun totally intended. Because today, we are making Fudgy Chocolate Mug Cakes. Time for our ingredient review. Grandpa, I see you. Mind control powder? Really? I thought you were a reformed evil scientist. It's supposed to be baking powder. You do want cake, don't you? That wasn't very hard to convince you. Maybe you accidentally ate some of that mind control powder yourself. All right, not too much equipment needed this time. I told you this one was a piece of cake. Dancing while cooking is a natural reaction, even in a laboratory. That was fun! We can have another dance break later. For now, let's get started with the recipe. Use a small bowl and whisk together the flour and baking powder. Is that the mind control powder? We've talked about this, Grandpa. In a medium microwave-safe bowl, combine the butter and chocolate chips. Cutting the butter into chunks like that will help it melt more evenly. What's with all the jumper cables? Oh my, whoa, why are you so anti-microwave? Let's try it again the correct way, okay, Grandpa? That looks good, nice job. Now add the eggs, sugar, cocoa, vanilla, and salt to the chocolate mixture, then whisk until it's smooth. Lastly, add the flour mixture and whisk until it's smooth. Careful not to overmix it. That looks pretty good to me, Grandpa. Use a spoon to divide the batter evenly between the two coffee mugs. Then we need the microwave again. Set the power to 50% and heat for 2 minutes. Make sure to stop the microwave and stir the batter halfway through. The cake should look slightly wet around the edges. If the top still looks very wet, cook for another 15 to 30 seconds. But yours look perfect. Just let it cool for 5 minutes, and then we can dig in while it's still warm. This seems like a good time for another dance break. What do you think, Grandpa? Hey, that was my jam, Grandpa. How long were we dancing for anyway? Make sure you give that one to Grandma. She loves chocolate cake. You can find this recipe at atkkids.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye!